Go to the game folder. Scroll down. Select PlayGTAV file. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check the option to disable full screen optimizations. Check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Now select PlayGTAV 5, right-click it, and click on Show More Options. And click on Create Shortcut. Select the shortcut, right-click it, click on Properties, press the right arrow key to go to the end of the path, press the space bar, and write DX12. Click on Apply, and click on OK. Make sure to always launch the game using this shortcut. If you receive a message to update your drivers, click on OK. Go to Documents. Open the Rockstar Games folder. Open the GTA 5 Enhanced folder. Select the Settings file, right-click it, and click on Delete. Open the Settings folder. Find all of the files that have SGA in their name, right-click them, and click on Delete. If you have OneDrive installed in your computer, make sure to uninstall it. Make sure to update your drivers. Also, if you're using Windows 10, make sure to update to Windows 11. GTA 5 Enhanced is a newer version of the game and may not run on Windows 10. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.